help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Casting on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regret. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. broke and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why.
There we go, Chad. What's going on, baby? Welcome back to another episode of Wall Street Sessions, the home of the firecracker. Chris, how you feeling, brother?
Feeling good. I'm just checking these levels. Yo, we're choking the guy's ears. Give me a 1-2 there, Keeks.
Oh, 1-2, 1-2.
1-2, 1-2. Chad, how's the audio? I don't know, something. Yo, it's even clipping. Is the audio good? Please let me know if the audio is good. But Keeks, give me 1 second. You can chat to the boys salon. I just want to bring these levels in.
All right. Chad, yeah, it's going to be an interesting one. Chris and myself, we locked in here, guys. We are locked in for greatness. Keeks, you're looking pretty. Can't see that extra time spent in front of the mirror was worth it, bro. You know, it's all about head and shoulders, guys. Maybe only heads is making a turn it back. And then we're going to do a feature with some shoulders on the side.
Chad, I promise you, I was going to the toilet to go and pee for the TP. And I had like, because he's not shy, because we all know, so he's like, you are the best trader in SA. And it's looking around, it's like, you are the best. I am the best trader in SA. I'm going to destroy
This is all about, guys. We got to reassure the people we are the best. But yo, guys, quite a good one. Obviously, we got again some big news that came out now just before markets open. So we'll talk a little bit about that, and then we'll get into the stuff and see what the crack is looking at. 'Cause I know that's what you guys are all here for. But before we get into any of the good stuff, as always, Chris, you're gonna open us up with some prayer, brother.
I will. Keys, that's actually a real idea. We should do it before Friday. Chad, but as always, just want to take the time here to pray, not because we want to, we need to. So you can bow the heads, close the eyes, or keep your eyes open as well. Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for another session. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to do what we love here today. Father, I just pray that you will guide Keegan, that you will keep your hand of protection over him, and pray that you will give him wisdom and insight. I pray for every viewer, every listener, every member, every subscriber to this channel, anybody on our feed that hears our voice. Father, I pray that you will protect them, guide them, bless them. I pray that you will meet them right there where they are. And then also I pray for the session. We pray that the session will be good. I pray that we will glorify your name during this session with everything we do. And we just want to say thank you, bring thanks. And then also we want to just bring Uzi up to you, Father. Every day we're going to bring him up in prayer. We pray that you will keep him, that you will protect him, and that you will heal your body if it is in your will, Father. And ultimately, Lord, I just pray that you will carry us through this week, and you've brought us this far, and that you will carry us for the rest of the week. And we pray this, and we ask this not because we deserve it, but purely because you are gracious and mercy. Your grace and your mercy is there for us in abundance, and we thank you for that. And we pray this, and we ask this in the mighty name of Jesus, Chad. And if you believe it, you can drop an amen in the chat right now.
There we go. Amen. All right, guys.
Should I do the poll? Or?
I was just going to say, can you do the
I'll
poll
do the
while
poll
we get into
first.
everything? All right, guys. So, to the good stuff. So, in line for today on the fundamental chats, obviously the big one, guys, are waiting for ADP. ADP coming out quite hot. So, definitely keeping things interesting now for this week. Again, going to be a big one, so I hope you guys are ready for that. It is NFP week, baby, so you guys can expect some big moves. But this is definitely throwing a spanner in the works. So we're going to keep a lookout for that. Obviously, you got a few FMC members chatting a bit later tonight, but again, none of the big boys. And then obviously crude oil inventories. Again, might be a little bit of an interesting one, but I don't think anything too crazy over there. So over to the charts, what are we looking at? So very, very simple, guys. DXY spoke about this, has flipped bullish. So as you guys know, you can see my daily. We've changed to the bullish outlook now. We carry at this rate that weekly is going to start flipping soon once we can get above these higher levels. But again, we traded yesterday at key level 100, 900, and today we held at a support, and the bullish momentum continues. Where we are right now, the thing for me, guys, we are now data driven. Personally, where we would reject would have to be these little bit of lows over here we can see, but doesn't look like we're going to be slowing down there. So for me personally, the only next area, because it's nice kind of clear traffic for the dollar, the monthly R1, weekly R2, and that 101.350 we can even just say looks very, very good for the dollar. Again, on the 4 hour, as I say, just straight one way. We are now trading above the 200, and we can see to the side when dollar gets above this level, it just turns on. So we're going to see what happens there. 15 minutes, again, we spoke about this. You have had Asia lows tested. You've held the weekly key level. For me, guys, above previous daily highs. This is where I really want to see dollar put on the pressure. If it can hold these previous daily highs, get above that daily R1, you guys all know the drill. Monthly R1, weekly R2, that's what we're looking for here from the dollar today. So it can be some big, big moves. Now, going over to the indices, what does that mean for the indices? NASDAQ really starting to fail. We've seen, again, the big fail yesterday, the psychological 20,000 failing after a few retests. NASDAQ back under, holding this level of support, but the gist, as we can see, really fighting for it. The thing for me, if we were going to hold here after a big bearish move, NASDAQ needed to get away. The fact we are still here, I think the pressure's on. And for me personally, once we break this massive level of support, we are going to see that waterfall and the monthly pivot will come into play. So NASDAQ, I think, is also in line for a few shots here today. Going over to the same outlook, guys, as US 30. So US 30 for me, same thing. We basically traded back under previous all-time highs. We've had the closures. One candle might not be able to change the bias, but two definitely can get you thinking. So what are we looking at now? We can see here on the 4 hour, we are starting to trade up. We've had a big, big move, holding this level or breaking this level of resistance. Are we going to trade back up to previous all-time highs? So that is going to be an interesting thing here right now. We're either trading into this and going to find rejection. Otherwise, if you guys do know the EQ, we could still be bullish. This could be the low of the week, and this is the turnaround point. We are at that EQ now, though, and the 200's also here to play. So is this the turnaround point, the big bullish move? Fake out of the highs and then see the move to the downside. We're going to see what the firecracker is looking for very, very shortly, and I'll let you guys know about that.
Bars.
Is looking for bars. There we go. So the cracker is looking for bars. Very, very interesting one there, guys. So as I say, this could be just the low of the week, and US 30 is here to turn it on as well. Now, lastly, gold. I said to the guys this morning, I know a lot of people are going bullish because of geopolitical tensions, which normally I'd say 100% I agree with you. But funny enough, I actually prefer the sells on gold today, purely because we can see the dollar also becoming a safe haven. So as long as that momentum continues, as we say, gold trying to turn around, trying to bring it back, and it is just failing there. 2650 has been a tough number for it to break today. Again, we can see here Asia lows holding, the 200s holding, daily pivot EQ holding, weekly pivot holding, sorry. And again, that level of support not really supporting much right now, so really battling. So for me, if we continue to break back under this level, I think the sells are on gold. So definitely going to be an interesting one. So US 30, the cracker looking for bars. Gold, as I say, looking for the sells. This could be a good day. But Chris, what you looking for, brother?
Alright, Chad, you guys are happy with the audio? Just let me know. I'm sure, because it's looking a little bit clippy on my side. Just want to make sure. Audio good, everyone happy, nice and clear. You can hear us, you can see us. You can't feel us. That's the privilege of our wives, but Audio good. Just check 1 2 1 2. All right, just waiting. Okay, Chad. Internet disconnected. Okay, 100%. There we go. Yo, that took a while, Chad. All right, ADP. All right, first data point of the week that we need to start considering. Myself and Keegan, from tonight going into tomorrow night, we're going to start developing our idea for Friday. I do think we've got our idea already. We're going to start going into that. And then also 2G's members, kindly note that registration link will be shared in the morning for you guys to register for tomorrow night's call. So we made an announcement on the G's chat. Just check it out just to make sure that everyone is well protected for what we're going to discuss there. But straight into the charts, Chad. DXY spoke about it. Daily expectation was bullish. We had that discussion here this morning. I mentioned that beautiful breakout there. We can continue bullish all the way up here on the daily. And 5 minute, a little bit of a deeper pullback during the London session. And then round about 22.11, that's when we turn around. Nice Asia low tap. Asia highs held beautifully. Previous daily high holding daily R1. 2 levels to consider going into this session. Very simple. Previous daily high, daily R1. Are we going to get a trending day? I think we might well do that today. So above daily R1, it's going to be a banger for the dollar. US30, very interesting for me. Daily time frame, we spoke about it. I am bearish, and if you remember this morning, I said very good chance we can come all the way up here and still reject and continue lower. All right, this little zone here, if we reject there, trouble. But if we reject, come back, hold Asia highs, daily EQ and pivot, then we're going to attack that level again, and then we're going back to that weekly pivot. All right, Asia lows have been taken, Asia highs have been taken. Chad, I'm expecting a relatively chop day here. Daily chopperara, chop everything except the onions. Nasdaq, as we spoke, bearish as well. Nice break below. I'm expecting us to go and fill that a week from yesterday, and also go and test this monthly pivot level. 5 minute time frame. All right, very choppy, Chad. Previous weekly low right there. Weekly S1 Asia lows, we spoke about that. Holds above, bullish. Breaks below, bearish. Asia highs tested. Again, choppy session ahead for us. Gold, very interesting. Daily for me as well. I told you guys I'm bullish, even though Gemini wants to sell. I told you guys this morning I'm bullish. Very ugly price action, Chad. Very, very ugly. Some of the ugliest price action I've seen. This was the zone we spoke about this morning, where we said we can potentially find support. And then this was the level we spoke about potentially finding some resistance. Going into the session, very simple for me. Holds above Asia lows, we're going to Asia highs. Rejections here again, I'm going bearish. Let's see what the 15 is doing. Ed might have gotten chopped here, or he might have gotten the sells perfectly. I don't know, Ed, if you can just report back on the turtle wave. But very choppy, Chad. Very, very chop session. So very simple for me. 2 zones that I'm going to monitor. It's this one here. Daily pivot. And then this zone right here. So these are the only 2 zones I'm going to focus on. If I don't get my trade there, I don't get it. Please note, it is not a signal. Somebody asking, are we going to get a Gemini signal? Gemini is not a signal. It's a hypothetical test we're doing. And whatever Gemini does, it's a test. So please don't get too stuck on it. Don't put it on a check and try and take it to the bank. They will laugh at you. Already seeing that guys are now selling ChatGPT. Yeah, Chad, Frana sent it to me, and I was like, yo, the hustle is real. So guys already took that and made it into a thing that they're going to sell now. But anyways, GBP USD, as mentioned this morning, it was going to be a choppy one due to the fact that we took the lows, then took the highs, and I said very likely we're going to just chop in this range. So only way I can really get interested in GU now for the rest of the session is right here. Nice clean breaks here. I'm going to try and take a stab at it, and then we're going to target this level here, and that's where we can potentially reject and or we can break through. So I think overall very simple session that we've got ahead. Keeks, that is the rapid fire analysis.
Rapid fire. Let's see what's gonna happen here, bro.
Are you bullish or bearish on US study?
On US study, I actually am more bearish, bro. So
I don't like the buys. I'm also more bearish.
I'm more bearish. So
Cracker, but you can't go against the cracker. Chopperara.
yeah, the cracker knows something we don't, bro.
I might put that on a number plate. Chris Chopperara 1. What do you rate, Keeks? Chopperara 1 and 2.
That's it, bro. Can't doubt the chopperara.
Bro, something changed here, and I don't know what. Where it's sounding. Yo, I don't
There
know.
is one that makes me like the buys. Yesterday didn't break the low on Monday. Very true. Very true. Trust the ball cracker. You have to.
Bro, you happy if I put on that aircon a bit?
Go for it, brother.
Yo, stuff Ferrara in here.
Where's the
It's a
remote?
little bit stuff Ferrari.
Do you have the remote by you? Do you have the remote by you? Let's see. Gold. I'm going to look for that aggressive bar. What are you looking for in gold?
No, I'm not looking at anything, but Gemini wants to sell again.
On gold.
Yeah, and it sold this morning, it got wrecked.
Yeah, for me, I'm looking. If gold can run and take Asia highs, I think the bars will be. Bars will be nice, bro. Let's say there so we can get ready for it. But US 30, we are nearly ready, guys. Nearly ready for the cracker to go off. I mean, it's holding EQ, holding Asia highs, holding the 200. Maybe it's onto something, guys. Maybe it's onto something. Don't like the bars on gold. No bottom wick on the 4 hour. Ooh. Bobs. How you doing, my brother?
Ferrari.
Shopperari. Alright, we've got 2 minutes. And then we see what the cracker is looking to do today.
Yo, bro, so we're not even at the cheese, we're now at the cherry.
All in, bro. All in.
Oh, buys. You also have buys, eh?
For
The
the cracker, yeah.
For the crackerari.
Let's see. Brother, I need the horn. The horn.
You know what? You know what I think we must do though. We have to do it. Is we also have to do that thing where we stand at a fuel station, and then you're like, "Hey guys, it's your mentor Keegan here from the 2Gs. I'm just holding these easy buys, just chopping them off. Just see what I don't know. It seems that it's doing well. We have to try it at least."
Right, we can do that, brother. We can do that.
But we have to go at the fuel station and then easy buys. So let's get 2 demo accounts. Go either way, and then the one that's in the blues. We just say holding is easy. Just look at these entries. Easy entries. Easy claps.
Alright, guys. Hope you're ready for it. We are locking it in, yeah. Thanks so much. Whew.
Here we go, Chad.
That's it, Chad. Round 6.
You hold that on like in the mic, eh? Okay.
I hope you guys are ready for it. Markets are open, Chad. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Bro, you talk like every time, dude. It's like, yo, Chad.
Let's see it, Chad. Come on.
Oof, this could be a quick one. This could be a quick Aurora.
Ooh, oof. It's coming for us.
Wait, did Frana take off my US 30? Shit, I might miss it.
It's coming for us.
Oh, Frana chalked me. Yeah, I don't have US 30 on you. Shit.
It's coming for us. This
I'm
might
not-
be a haircut.
Keys, I don't know where US 30 is now. Now I'm under pressure. There's it.
You
How
got
much
20
time?
seconds.
Are you buying, eh?
Yeah, we're buying, bro. Oof, on the 200.
Bro.
This is gonna be naughty, Chad. Ooh.
Yo, what I feel we're gonna get chopped here. Did you take it?
Uh-uh.
Did you take it?
Bro, I
Huh?
was too late. I wasn't watching there.
Huh?
I'm honestly not lying, Chad. I missed
Geeks.
it. Bro, I promise you, I'm literally on my thing here. I wanted to take it. Like,
I
I'm
wanna
not
get-
even lying
oh.
right now, bro.
Peter was right too. Guys, I'm out. Damn. Peter was right.
Chad, I promise you that wasn't on purpose. Like, I honestly was busy, yeah? I didn't see the time, and by the time I looked back, it was too late. Bro, I
I got
promise
Chop
you.
Aurora there. No, man.
I'll enter now, though.
Are you going to enter now? Damn you, bro. Damn you.
I wasn't watching.
So you're telling me I'm getting another one? Yeah, I'm getting another one.
I'm in chat.
Nah, Keeks, that is wrong.
Bro, it wasn't on purpose.
Bro, if it nukes me twice in one, that is gonna be disgusting.
Yo, bro, the one account's trying to make a comeback, and it just doesn't look like it's gonna get
Yo.
that comeback.
2 quick cuts, yeah.
Yeah.
2 quick cuts, yeah. Yo. Sorry, Chad, I was trying to find US 30, so I couldn't even sell on Gemini. But Gemini would have gotten clapped, so it's a win-win there.
Sure, bro. We taking some shots here.
That's not looking good.
Ooh, I'm not the biggest fan of this right now.
Nah, we're gonna get shocked, bro. 100%.
No. Gotta believe, bro.
Yes, and I didn't like those bars, but anyways, you have to. Ooh, out. Ah, yeah, out and slipped. Are you still in?
Are you not in?
No, I got basically chalked right now. That's my two
there,
bullets.
I'm out.
That's my two
That one got
bullets
me out
on,
now the second
on US 30. Something came out here. Let me just check. No, nothing. Chopper rod.
Bro. So now the crackers 1 out of, or 2 out of 3.
For this week.
Yeah. Monday was the break even. And then yesterday we won.
No, man, we didn't take a trade on Monday. Remember, I was
No,
the
but we
first-
said that's what you're saying. So we're gonna count that the break even
as
as
a break even.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Good call from Peter there.
What did Peter say?
No, Peter said if it's gonna go straight down, he's not gonna take it.
Peter, you should have been like, boys, what are you doing? Bro, if this thing goes
No,
down.
I'm done with it.
No, I'm not so great, but I'm really like, did we really just get stopped?
And I thought,
Did we really just get stopped on it? Did it do us like that, bro? Did it do us like that?
GU is looking good. I'm waiting for something on GU. Just gonna wait for the shuffle.
Okay, I want to see gold. What was gold doing? Ooh, gold, come on. Go for those highs. Go for the highs. That's what we want. Go for the highs.
Yo, that bullish play working out on gold.
What's Gemini in? Sells.
No, it was supposed to sell. I was busy trying to get US30 here on my terminal.
Bro,
Yo.
you see US30.
I see it. I'm seeing it.
Bro!
That position literally just got clipped, and I think we'd have been out now already. Yeah, literally clipped. Yeah, out already out. But it has been a choppy session though.
No, it has been.
Alright, Chad. DXY breaking above daily R1. It's because this song was lurking that we got chopped. Just one thing quickly. DXY now breaking above that daily R1. Like I mentioned, could be a trending day here for DXY, and then GBP USD monthly pivot. Remember this little block we said here? So I'm literally just waiting for some type of retest into the zone, and then a minor break of structure after the shuffle. So if we can get maybe 2 more candles into the zone and then a nice break of structure, and that should cover my loss on US30.
Maybe I need to go trade gold, bro. USD is like, bro, don't play with me. What does gold look like on the higher time frame? Yeah.
Bro, but I'm gonna what's the name was bearish.
Yeah, but you see, bro, I like the idea of fading Gemini. I'm a trader. What does Gemini know?
Okay, I took that sell now. So Gemini's stats are going to be a little bit skewed. Not a lot.
Did you only take it now?
Yeah.
I feel like that's a little bit of cheating.
No, that's what I say, but I think I can retest, yeah. So Gemini with a little bit of assistance. And then GBP USD, let's see if we can get into those shorts. Okay, Keeks, Chad, listen here. Remember that daily zone we spoke about? This grey line here. If I go on the daily, go and re-watch the analysis where I said we can push up to this zone here, retest, fail, and continue bearish. There you can see the bias for the day. I'm not even kidding. That is that daily zone literally there. That is that daily zone right there. Nah, dude, I'm bearish on this. Yeah, look, even Nas. But then also there's been days where we were looking for buys and the cracker told us to sell, and then it sold hard.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, bro. It's alright. Can't win them all.
Bro, this aircon is just way too powerful, dude. Can you feel it? It's already like, it was hot in here, and now... Are you cold as well?
Alright,
I'm cold, so I'm just gonna... I'm just gonna chalk it now quickly. Yo. I won't say sales are looking good on gold. This nothing here looks like it wants to sell though. I think a pullback maybe, but overall I'm bullish on gold.
Hey, Fobs, I'll check it just now, my brother.
US 30. Oh, is G just gonna run from us now? Previous weekly low. Would you still look for something else on US 30? I don't like the way that it took the highs now and it took the lows.
Oh, in US 30.
Yeah,
No.
Asia. I don't like this. This for me, I don't like this. Taking the lows, taking the highs.
Yeah, for me that looks messy, bro.
But to be honest, though, it gives you that idea of we can play in this range here. Similar to what we did yesterday, we can be stuck in this range a little bit. And then dollar, okay. Dollar just needs to hold this daily R1 level. Daily R1. Yo, Gemini, I got lucky that I missed that initial.
Yeah, I think you saved Gemini there, bro.
Oh, actually not, geeks. This is where the market opened up. Yeah. So I would have sold it. So I literally sold where it would have sold. Check here. That's where the market opened. 1530. Just had a little pop. Damn, Gemini just backing it straight away. My goodness. Gemini. Sheesh. Chat, I'm locking it in for GU. I like the setup here. We've got a nice clean range, nice clean momentum. Just need a nice pullback into this zone, and we can get something. So we're going to create a session low, and ideally we don't want to take the previous weekly low now. And at first pullback, we're going to sell into that, and then we're going to retarget this current session low, and then that previous weekly low. I would love for it to just turn shy of it, because then that's going to be a magnet for price to go down.
They told you sales are good on gold. Hey, my brother.
I'm still bullish, dude. To be very honest with you, I'm not. This for me is purely a pullback. There's the 200. If it, the only way you can really get bearish is below 2650. All of this is just purely a pullback. If it can't get below EQ weekly pivot, this thing is super bullish. This thing is super bullish. All of this is purely pullback. It's way too early to say sales look good. Like, don't get married to the sell idea. I'm not saying it can't play. Like, it can play out, but don't marry the idea. Juice, what 2G's disclaimer? we've got a disclaimer when the stream starts. There's the disclaimer there. As the stream is starting soon, it goes straight into the disclaimer. And then also the disclaimer in the description of this video. So I don't know if you're talking about another disclaimer.
Oh wait, what's going on?
Spencer the third, yeah dude, unfortunately once you get nuked, it's like you in the metaverse for the rest of, there's no way to get you back, unfortunately. I don't even know if it's possible to get you back.
Sad reality there.
You can still watch on that account. It's just, yeah, sorry man, no stress. But maybe check, I don't know if they just timed you out or whether you got hidden on the channel. So if they just timed you out, then you should be fine. But if they hid you on the channel, you can still chat, but we won't see the, yeah. Just check, maybe Spencer it works. Go check, send a message. And if we don't respond to the message, then it's obviously hidden on the channel. So then we won't be able to get it back. That's unfortunately into the metaverse.
Into the metaverse.
I don't even think Mark Zuckerberg can bring it back for you. That's how deep it is.
If you nuked, you nuked.
Yeah, it's
it's not a place you really want to be.
like P1 is still stuck in that metaverse and so, but I love how I reached out and it's like, bro, do you guys see my messages? I'm like, dude, what do you mean your messages? It's like, I've been chatting to you guys and nobody's responding.
I was just like, yeah, about that, bro.
I'm like, yo, dude, I actually feel bad now. I actually tried to get him back. I thought, let me just check. And I was like, dude, it's impossible. You're gone now. It's, that candle has been put out. You are now, unfortunately. Alright, Chad, 15-minute shuffle. Gone. So we're going to see what we do with this retest here. If we close back inside, that's me done for the day. But if we reject a beautiful trade incoming. And then gold. Keeks, what are you looking for on gold?
I must say, hey, I really did like the buys, but I'm kind of just back and forth with everything, bro.
Is that aircon still on, my bro?
Doesn't look like it. Gold, bring the buys. This is what we're waiting for, Chad.
Are you gonna take it?
I don't know, bro. Feeling frisky. Time for some revenge trading.
Yo, US 30 all the way back. Yo, it's gonna be chop. Right, dollar, Chad. Dollar needs to hold this level. Dollar needs to absolutely hold this level. Daily R1 GBP. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's why I said gold super bullish. These two levels quite important, but ranges are just way too wide. These ranges on gold is absolutely crazy.
You also get a power board. If so, which mall you go into? Lyndon, I'm still deciding, brother. But I think we must do it together, bro. I'm sure you must be getting one shing with all the GU kill TPs. We'll get a board together, bro. See, that's the difference. That's what real alphas do. They go show the boards with the students. That's the next level.
Oh, you can bring back in settings. Go to community and hit. Wait. Where's settings?
Chris gonna bring him back.
Spency, it seems we are gonna bring you back.
Do it, Chris.
I don't see it, Ed.
Bring him back, bro.
I don't see it. Where's the settings? Nah, I think Ed is choking me, bro. Channel level settings. Where's the settings? Community moderation. Wait, let's check here. Community moderation. Damn, bro, you can bring all these people back, eh?
We don't do it.
Let me bring all of them back. Bro, how do we have so many? Damn.
Alright, don't do it.
I want to bring all of them back. And we can just do it all over again. We need some of that entertainment. Chat, I'm bringing all of them back. All of them are back, my bro. I've brought even Mila Moo is still chilling there.
Who?
Mila Moo.
Who the hell was that?
Bro, King Shaq, we're bringing you back, my bro. I brought him back, Kicks. We got it. Chad, I'm reviving all of these people. I've just revived the... Yo, the mods have been busy. My goodness. Damn. Yeah, mods, you didn't play, eh? There's like almost 1,000... Yeah, Steve, bro. This is incredible. Look at that. Look at those views jump now. Oh, Spencer, I'm bringing you back, bro. Spencer's back. Spencer is back, my dude.
I hope you know what you're doing, bro.
Spencer, I brought both your accounts back. Bro, you and Anton, look at that. Blast from the past.
Wait, who told you to do this?
Ed told me.
Ed, my brother, you and me are having a fat talk, my bro.
But P1 wasn't there, bro. P1. I don't know. I like permanently chalked P1. P1 is, bro. I brought everyone back. Everyone is back. Kicks, but bro, I thought we are those guys with second chances. Like
all of those guys had second chances.
But think about the views.
I don't give a shit about the views, bro.
Bro, that was like 50 people. So we get cracked at 300.
They still watch. They just can't comment.
Oh, King Shaq, come forth, my brother. You have been restored. Oh.
I don't know what I did to deserve this, Chad.
King Shaq, you have been restored, my brother. I hope some of them actually use the second chance. Like, not first message chalked again. Nah, it was never a mod. No, it wasn't a mod.
I don't know what this man smoked before this fucking stream, guys.
Chad, that is incredible stuff.
I don't know, Chris.
Ed, you should have never showed me that, bro. It's gonna be a little blast from the past. No, I'm kidding. I don't bring the boys back. But Spence, you back, my bro. Your main is back, so feel free. Use it wisely. A lot of times in life, you don't get second chances. Travel Wild Show also wasn't there. He was completely... Travel Wild Show, unfortunately, was just...
I
think hard delete. He was like hard deleted. Like you go into the source files and you don't go uninstall. There's like a way you just hard delete them. It's not even picked up on your registry.
So here's my thing, bro. If we block someone and we send them to the metaverse, like this is a question, like with Instagram, anything. If that person deletes their own account, technically, don't they disappear then?
It could be, yeah.
Because my thing is, we know how many guys made accounts to come in. So if you just delete that account, they kind of go away.
Ria Betsua Vivi, are you talking about the G's chat? Is he part of Project G, Keeks?
I have no clue. I don't think so, bro. If it's the normal Discord, bro, that Discord's been active for like a year now. I don't know how I must catch you up. A year's worth of stuff.
Can I buy the GBP
Project
USD?
G. Are you in Project G?
Alright, brother. Start off with the
I don't think he's Project
introduction.
G, bro.
With the welcome. Go to the welcome section. And then just start there. There's beautiful videos that are going to guide you.
I'm still telling you, bro. I really don't think he's Project G.
Throughout this journey. Really? Not?
I haven't got any payments or joint things from a guy with that name. I think he's in like the normal, the free Discord.
Are you telling me Chumani was choked? I feel Chumani... I don't know. Took a GU sell now. Yo, Stofa. Stofa. Aggressive. Stofa, I'm waiting for... I would have taken it if this 5 minute took that previous 5 minute high, which it didn't, unfortunately. So I'm going to wait for actual retest.
Guys, I'm just saying something. Ed, if you're still here, firstly, we're going to have that talk still. But secondly, I spoke to you about this today. I spoke to the guys about it yesterday. I spoke to you about it literally before you left the office today. And you can literally see it playing out there. If you guys paid attention yesterday, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
No, but we even said it's gonna play in this range. Jay, we said if it holds within the Asia range, we're just gonna play. You can play this. Go back. We said you can play this range here.
Bro, serious question. Lyndon, are you on the leaderboard, bro? Because you are funded with Vault Funder. Because that man, bro, in the groups, I'm just seeing that man every day, bro.
GU.
Profits.
I was. I'm waiting, Giddy. I'm waiting. I'm not gonna take this here. I want to see an actual retest because this for me is not an engulfing. For me to take one single candle, I needed to do something like that, where it's taken the liquidity. So this for me, you can still get a bullish candle that does something like that. So that's why I'm patient here. I'm not going to force it. If I don't get the setup, I don't get it.
Hobbs Trader, isn't that Sean Hobbs, eh? That's in the stream here, or he's in Project G.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, that man's also got a big payout coming. Oh, and Mr. Bierke on the leaderboard.
Hey, Frana putting in a shift there, my bro.
Hey, the guys are grinding out here, bro.
Frana locking it in. Yeah. Let me check that leaderboard.
Some boys
Forex
throwing
money,
down
Forex money machine. I think is in our streams.
I don't think he's in Project G, but you've seen
No,
him
it's
on
in
the
the
streams.
streams. Yeah. But hey, look at Frana, young 10%. Gee. Ops traders Sean, yeah, nice 36. Tian Bester, young $1,600. RC is Ruan Clausen. Hey man is in the mix there. Marissa, Becca, FX, Ishmael. Hey, the boys are locking it in, yeah. The boys are locking it in.
Oh, bro, I'm just waiting. My bus is parked.
As we talk, there's Forex money machine.
Hey, there he is.
Sheesh, Forex money machine.
He's the man.
Terminal closed. Never had one of those rocks. Oh. Kyle Bester, lol, what's a pay? No man, Kyle. Chad, we said you can play this range. All I'm saying is you can play the range. I'm not playing it. Play silly game, win stupid prizes. That's what they say.
Firecracker always comes back. Is it a good for swing trading?
No.
And no. No, I wouldn't say that. Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily go for swings on the Firecracker. Keeks, you get back to that brother in Discord, or should I talk to him with regards to... no, bro, it's sorted out. Don't worry about that shit. The brother's in the wrong. Well, he knows what he's doing.
Who's that?
That guy in the Discord.
What is he doing?
The one with the refused payout.
Which one is that?
From not Vault Fund, Vault Markets.
Oh.
Oh
yeah, Chad,
he's
sorry,
not in the
man.
wrong, but he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, Chad, sorry, man. Just on that. Here's the thing. I don't know if you guys have seen when your terminal freezes. It doesn't happen a lot. But let's say, for instance, you're on your Vault Markets tab. And you've got your terminal open and you see price is frozen. And then you go on TradingView and you're like, oh, damn it, gold has moved down here. And then you try and place a trade, and then you see your trades open up where price is frozen, and then later it catches up down there. And this is what happened there. So I've escalated it for him, but that's what happened. I think it was pre-Cocodona C19. It happened on JP Markets as well, where guys made like 4 million rand with 20k, and price was frozen for like an hour. I think Nasdaq moved like 600 points. Oaks just stacked up there, and then so come on, we gotta be real here as well. Who was it that said it? The offside goal is, but I am gonna help him see what exactly it is, but that's from what I can read. That is what I've picked up. So is Darshan, yeah, more than willing to. Darshan, are you here, my brother? That my one, Chris, is it? Who's Darshan? Lennon, is Lennon taking a piss out of who said gold sells are proper when I said it's still super bullish? Yeah, so I don't want to rub it in, but I did say gold is super bullish. So yeah, sorry man. Stove, I don't think it's about not allowing scalping. There's a lot of what people don't realize with a lot of these brokers, and that's why, for instance, a broker like XNES would actually just disable your trading during news events or all of that. Is there's guys that have systems in place that basically use multiple price feeds, and as soon as they detect that, let's say for instance that broker's price feed is lagging, they put in like a massive order and close it as soon as price catches up. And the issue with that is you can't A-book that flow because it happens so quickly and it's based on mispricing. So you're arbitrating. It's not a case of you trading with skill or any of that. It's literally you manipulating the system, trying to find little inconsistencies. And as that, say, 34 pips that lag, you put in 100, 200 lots, you catch that 4 pips and you close it again. By the time you can't even send it through to an LP. So I don't necessarily even think it's a thing with scalping. I think it's a case of manipulating. Sioliso, nothing wrong with saying gold is selling. The only reason I said I'm super bullish, and like I said, no.
I'm just saying, hold on. He's like, he said gold's selling. Gold looks bullish to me, bro.
No, I know, but that's why somebody
like one bearish candle doesn't mean selling.
So, Sioliso, sorry man, we spoke about it this morning as well, where we said, looking back on all the previous times, that 38.2, and even a day when we traded, I said, be very careful, we can go bullish. So, and then also looking at the price action, that's why I say we don't get it always get it right, and I don't rub it in anyone's face. I took 2 losses in US30, so there's nothing wrong with it. But just what I want you to think about was that we've been trading below Asia lows. We were trading below Asia lows the entire time, and when we started trading back in the range, I said it's very likely if we hold these levels that we can go for Asia highs, which we did. So just something to consider, just the framework around that, to consider. All right, Asia highs Asia lows are holding now. We're trading now back above the 200. There is a very high probability to come back here. So I don't want to talk you down on anything, my brother. I just want you to just be aware of this. So as much as we want to take the piss out of one another, we can laugh about it. We got it wrong on the cracker today.
Yeah.
But it's also just a case of if you're sitting here and your ego, and even me, all of us shouldn't have an ego, but if your ego is blocking you after I said maybe consider this, and then you still say it's bearish, then Chris and Keeks, you guys really got that buy and sell play stuck to the brain. What buy and sell plays? Alright, Chad, here we go. So, Sioliso, that's the thing, just for us here as a community, losses are part of it, but if maybe you took something out of that loss to say, but flip, let me maybe consider that next time. Alright, sweet my brother, but we're all here to learn and improve and grow. Where one buy and one sell. Oh, are you talking about for the news? For the news. Or buy con... No, what is... Hey, Lennon. What is Lennon talking about? Buy and sell reversal patterns on Discord. Oh, you're talking about the engulfing ones. Stove is locked in for Friday, Chad. Stove is locked in for Friday, Chad. Stofa. Hey. Chad, Stove is locked in for Friday. Sheesh. Big Stove. Chad, I still can't sell you, eh? I just want to let you guys know I still can't sell you. This is not a play that I do.
Bro,
So
bring it home.
I will let you guys know when I do something here. But yeah, this is not a reversal play for me. Stove is locked in for Friday.
I just want to see you trade G again.
Gemini.
Go 2 for 2.
Gemini got clapperinoed.
Oof, that's twice, eh?
And it was literally that close to TP.
Gemini.
Pullback on Gemini has occurred. Chad, I think everything's going to range, eh? If I'm honest. Yeah, everything is going to... that's why this year, when I talk about this Asia low, Asia high thing, it's not just vibes and like, hey, Chad, it's me seeing it over and over. This is many years of setting and then getting clapped trying to trade this. So there is some value in it. At least that I paid those 10,000 hours so that you guys can benefit from it.
Next question. Let's see if you can answer without giving away your bias. I already know where this is going then. Okay.
Kyle, what I would look for is actually, I don't know if you've go exclamation Discord. Go exclamation Discord, Kyle, and then there under education section, there's a sell scenario there for the reversal setup, and then there's a continuation. It's gonna be either one of these two. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking for. And Carl is like, Chris, you're such an idiot. No, Carl, I would have loved for a candle some type of engulfing, but I would be honest, if we get a break here, if we get a break there, I will consider it.
So Peter, I think you're phrasing your words very, very carefully, but I can't answer that. As I said to the guys, it definitely throws a spanner into the works. So what we were thinking, it's made it interesting now. So I can't answer, but yeah.
Hey, Carl is like, Chris, you're such a... That C word. That ugly word. Bro, imagine you go to a tattoo artist and you're like, bro, I want these tattoos. And it's like, dude, what is these sell setups and buy setups? No, it's my entry criteria on your forearm.
Bro, you talk about that, eh? What was that paper we got that we literally... What was it? What was on the paper? at the old office. We had that paper. We stuck it in front of the. What did we have in it?
Don't trade news events.
Was it? I think it was purposely don't trade before news.
Yeah, something like that, because we got clapped. Peter, are you specifically talking about Friday, or are you talking about for today now?
Chris, he's talking about Friday.
Is he talking about Friday?
Yeah. He was asking me without giving an answer. Without giving my bias away. So ignore the question, Chris. Don't answer it.
Why? I don't. What am I
bro,
doing?
you are that person who will be like, there's only 200 people here today. Let me tell you, lucky 200, what we are thinking. Just keep quiet.
Okay. So you guys aren't that lucky today. Chad, listen here. When we end the stream, we go to that disclaimer screen, and we're less than 100. I'm just gonna quickly, you'll hear the music drop a little bit. Then I want to drop the signal. So let's see who sticks around. It needs to drop below 100. It's going to be a lucky 80. The last 10 viewers.
You know the thing is, right, this is recorded.
No,
So
but
people can
I'll
always
chalk-
go
I'll
back
chalk
and
the screen.
watch the
I'm gonna
last
chalk
10.
the screen. Chad, but if you really think about it, okay, Chad, let's start here. Keeks. I'm not going to give anything away. I'm just going to create scenarios for you guys to think about it, okay?
I'm just saying, guys, my foot's by the plug. So
Okay.
if this man says too much and we disappear, we're
Okay,
cancelled.
I'm just starting a new poll, yeah? Okay, Chad, let's start here quickly. I'm going to help you guys develop your own framework. Quickly complete that poll for me.
I was going to say, probably G members don't answer, but then again, they literally can because they don't even know it yet.
The GU cells are...
Now, Peter, I trust me, I get what you're asking, but like I say, it is very hard to answer that without giving away our bias. Yeah. But I'll say this, you're on the right track, but it is just, it's hard for me to answer that without giving away our bias.
Chad, this is tough, because remember, this is the weekly low here. I just want to point out to you guys, this is the weekly low right there. There's that daily zone. So we've closed below it once, flipped back right above it, rejected the monthly pivot, Asia lows. Now breaking down again. I would have loved to get it closer to this level here, because this is our advantage point then. This zone here becomes our advantage point. So let's see, I might no.
Yeah, Peter, we can do that 100% after the New York session. We can 100% chat about it. Cecil, 100% true, bro. His whole family. Him, his dad, his brother.
Did they rock the people's bodies with big nasty hooks? Chad, what I will say is, okay, if we close below this yellow zone here, and we get a nice top wick first, yes, but look at this wick already. No. Okay, that's gonna make it easy for us. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. All right, Chad. Let's see what the bias is saying here. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. I'm just going to pee quick. Then I'm just going to mute Keegan's mic, and then I'm just going to drop the beans here. I think Keegan unplugged the internet. There, the internet's choked. Is the internet still on?
Yeah.
Still on.
No,
Did
it's frozen on my side. No, it is on.
Keeks choked the internet.
It doesn't do anything yet, bro.
Hello. hello. Chad. No, I'm kidding. I'm just going to pee quick. GU, yeah.
Yeah, the uncles as well, bro. The whole family, the women, the sisters.
So they rock the people's bodies, Keeks.
Hundreds, bro.
Yo. Now I've heard that story as well. I heard like boys get rocked. Okay, Chad. When I come back, we're gonna develop our thesis for NFP Friday.
My wife's father is extended family of Ibn's second cousin. Damn, bro. I mean, that's a very long circle to go around, but hey, if it's Ibn, I'd also still flex it, bro. Sorry, a female president, right? Our father-in-law is also Elizabeth. He is also Elizabeth. He is also from Mass as well. Damn, bro. Yeah, they are a family of 30. Yeah, I know they are. There are a lot of children. And that's the thing, guys. It's that whole thing. So, like, I'm not saying Ibn is small, but the thing is, Ibn is actually the smallest out of the brothers. That's the scary thing. Like, we're just talking general size here, not muscle and just general, like, size. Like Chris is just a big guy in general. We were talking about Ibn. Bro, I'm actually still bleak, eh? So gold, we wanted the buys, we didn't take it. But I will say I am a bit bleak about USD. Like, I thought I actually got lucky by the fact I honestly did miss the first entry. And then still taking the second one, I was like, okay, I might have got lucky, yeah. And then even the second one to get like pipetted and then it goes our direction, that was bleak. Grubber is thick. What's the current bias for NAS 100? We bearish on it. Number 4, the Booker. You must see Evans. One Uncle Chris will look up to. Yeah.
Okay, you guys ready, geeks?
We're ready, brother. We're ready.
Right, we're already below 200. The boys don't want it. Okay, Chad. What is the current theme around the Fed? What is the current theme that the Fed always talks about? Because this is, let me give you a little fundamental 101. And this is what I told the guys once. And I said, as much as we can teach you textbook fundamentals, like how to try and interpret fundamentals, every market cycle has got a theme around it. A theme in terms of what the central bank is trying to achieve. All right, central banks, for instance, the Reserve Bank, the Federal Reserve, the Bank of Japan, European Central Bank, Bank of England, all of them are trying to achieve something with their monetary policy. Okay, what is it that the Fed is trying to achieve with monetary policy? I'm not going to spoon feed you guys. I want you guys to start thinking for yourself as well. What is the theme? Peter, okay, you're going out to the tail end. What was the theme from the start of the year, and then going to the middle? Okay, Antoinette, well done. Getting inflation under control. That was the big driver for almost 2 years now. And then what shifted later? Obviously, higher interest rates. What did that cause in the market? What is the job of higher interest rates? Why do you raise interest rates? And I want to dumb it down for everyone to understand, because a lot of people...
We don't need to do it for everyone to understand.
Lower, no, not lower inflation. Bad job. No. Stop. Perfect. There Peter goes. So people stop spending. Okay. The word in itself, recession, talks about something receding. So you got a market that is expanding. And if it's expanding, think about a balloon. If I just blow and blow and blow, like something's going to burst. So the same with the economy. You want to blow it up, you want it to expand, and then you want it to recede. So if I go on a chart here, you want your economy to do something like this: expand and then contract. Expand, contract. This is how market cycles work. Expand, contract. All right. So in that time where you're tightening the economy, higher interest rates, less consumer spending, less demand for certain consumer goods, now all of a sudden you bring prices under control and you curb the spending of the consumer. All right. So they have successfully done that. But what happens if you starve somebody of oxygen for too long? What's going to happen if you starve somebody? Chat, just get ready in 2 minutes. I'm considering this, looking at DXY. DXY holding that daily R1 weekly, monthly R1 weekly R2 incoming. So I'm going to try to play going to be very, very aggressive. So just get ready, 2 minutes. You die, okay? Exactly with the economy. If you continuously too stringent on an economy, the economy gets to a point where things start breaking down. Your economy goes from recession, you go from inflation to stagflation, where it's like everything is dead. Okay. Now, the thing that makes this NFP very interesting is that it's not just the NFP we're contending with. I spoke about it this morning, and this is why this is going to be most probably one of the most trickiest NFPs that we will trade this year. And the reason is for the geopolitical events that are currently happening. And the thing with it is that the geopolitical events are not localized. It's not just one region. You've got Russia potentially getting involved. You've got China. You've got the US. You've got the European Union. You've got NATO. You've got all of these countries. All of a sudden, you throw all of them into a pot. And this is where it becomes dangerous, because now it's not just Israel and the Palestinians, the Israelites and the Palestinians going up against one another. You've got other parties coming into it. Okay? Now, what do you think the data is going to do on Friday? It's a possible World War III. I can see almost the majority of you guys are bearish on the dollar. What do you think the data is going to do on Friday? Keeg's about to blow up.
Do we even need a prep call tomorrow?
No, I'm just asking. That's
Bro,
where
the guys already saying they have the signal. They got it.
No, but that's where you guys don't get it. Even myself, even myself, I told Fabs today, I'm keeping myself neutral. Keeks knows as well. I told you guys at the start of the week, and I'm honest now, Chad, I'm not even lying. I'm keeping a neutral mind up until myself and Keeks have our call tomorrow, because we talked about it last time. Last time we psyched ourselves out from the start of the week, having the right direction. And by the time we got to Friday, me and Keegan were psyched out. We went the other way. Was that CPI?
Yeah.
So I'm keeping a neutral, chat. So I'm just asking you, what do you think the data is going to do on Friday? That's all. And we don't even know what the data is going to do. And based on that, that is where you need to place your gamble. That is the gamble. What do you think the data is going to do on Friday? And that's why it's still 50-50. And I'm honest with you, I don't have a confirmed bias yet. I don't have, I'm neutral at this stage. Fabs I don't know if Fabs is here. Fabs can tell you, I sent him a message and I said, Fabs, I'm keeping a clear head till me and Keegan. We're still going to workshop it. If you guys don't know, me and Keegan sit down and we play a little bit of devil's advocate with one another. Keegan gives me his ideas. He's backing, I give him my ideas, what I do, and then we start chopping at it. So yeah, I'm neutral. It's bearish based on what you just... what is bearish, Antoinette? Oh, Fabs left earlier. Dollar is going to plummet due to economic crisis. Okay, we've got some neutral as well. However, I think we can see sells upon the release. It's going to have a Musha wick. That's also a good one. Never wrong if you say it's going to have a Musha wick. Hey, Stofa. I'm just going to wait for the 1 minute fair value gap from the Judas. Hey, man, beautiful. Where's Jakes? Did somebody chalk Jakes? Rocks, am I choked? Where's Jakes? Now I can see Jakes. Don't tell me Jakes. Did somebody choke Jakes? No, man. I think employment won't increase. Alright, Chad. Chad, I'm honest. I'm neutral. But Keeks, I think I'm not going to take anything, my brother. Yeah, no. Me and Keeks, we're going to have a proper sit down tomorrow morning. This is going to be... if we get this one Friday, Chad, like... Now, Peter, dude, I don't lie. I'm honest to you when I say... I'm new. As I sit here, I'm neutral. I haven't sat down with Keeks. We had a brief discussion this morning. Also, again, not talking direction, just talking factors to consider. After the last NFP CPI, no, you don't have to, Giddy. You don't have to. The previous 8 CPIs, we stressed the same and we made money. So don't do it. We can lose the next 8 CPIs and still be break even. So unless you've been with us 9, is it 8 or 9? Keeks, 8.
Oh, 8 CPIs, 6 NFPs.
Yeah, so you're only stressed if you weren't part of those previous 14 news events. Full margin, 25k account. Hey Gav, that sounds like an incredible idea. Alright.
I think that's the session, bro.
Yeah, Chad, I don't give anything away. I honestly talk all of this and then I just ask Keegan on Friday, bro, what are we doing? And Keegan's gonna say we sell or we buy, and I'm like, alright. Okay, Chad, for the guys, I unfortunately have to leave. If you want to take this, dollar is definitely going to monthly and weekly R2. If you want to get involved here, just wait for a tiny little top wick. That's the session low there. Wait for a tiny little top wick. Wait for the break of those lows. that is your break-even point. Be very aggressive. First, get a top wick. If you don't get a top wick first, call it a day. All right, call it a day. Beautiful, Keeks. Let's go full screen.
Yeah. Yeah, getting this man to keep quiet ahead of news events it's a mission on itself. But we're gonna keep practicing. We will hopefully get there one day. But yeah, Cracker taking a little smack on the hand and then just being on the wrong side. But hey, it's part of it. We come back tomorrow.
Check the plot twist, Keeks.
We come back tomorrow, and then we go again. Project G, guys, gonna be a good one.
I've got an idea.
Oh boy.
We package the signal and we put it at an undisclosed location somewhere in P. And we package it, and then anyone in P, like we're gonna give some clues, but it's gonna be packaged and it's gonna be hidden somewhere. But inside, we'll give you the full breakdown. Think about that.
All right.
And a QR code for a 5K account. I feel that would be sick. What do you?
It is a good idea, but all right. Chad, as always, we're gonna see you guys tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find some